Hi, I'm Lexi Hart, your RoboBrief host. Today, construction giant SoftBank pours $200 million into autonomous excavators. NEURA Robotics buys a proven factory shuttle fleet, and a tiny aquatic drone swarm wins a US Marine Corps contract. Let's get into it. First up, construction autonomy just landed one of the loudest funding signals of the year. Gravis Robotics, the Swiss company behind self-driving excavators and wheel loaders, has raised $200 million in Series A funding from SoftBank. That number matters because heavy equipment robotics has always struggled to attract the kind of capital that floods into humanoids and warehouse automation. Job sites are messy, machines are expensive, and workflows change by the hour. Gravis retrofits existing excavators and loaders with an autonomy kit, letting them dig, trench, and move earth on their own, even under remote supervision from hundreds of kilometres away. SoftBank's bet says construction autonomy is being treated as real infrastructure now, not a science project. Next, mobile robots are consolidating. NEURA Robotics, the German cognitive robotics company known for its 4NE1 humanoid, is acquiring Bosch Rexroth's Active Shuttle, a proven autonomous transport system that moves carts and totes across factory floors. It's a telling move. NEURA isn't just chasing flashy humanoid demos, it's buying the unglamorous, commercially necessary layer that actually keeps parts and payloads flowing through a plant. Active Shuttle brings mature fleet software, safety certification, and real installed customers. Bolt that logistics backbone underneath NEURA's cognitive robotics platform, and you get a company that can move materials on factory floors today while it builds toward humanoids for tomorrow. And finally, to the water. Jaia Robotics has won a US Marine Corps contract for its JaiaBot-HYDRO aquatic drones, small networked underwater and surface robots built for hydrographic surveys and coastal sensing. It's a quieter story than the humanoid headlines, but it may be more representative of where defense robotics is actually heading. Compact autonomous systems deployed in swarms, useful without science fiction intelligence. A JaiaBot can map shallow water, monitor currents, and survey a landing zone without putting anyone in harm's way. And because the same platform supports harbour surveys and climate monitoring, every civilian deployment quietly hardens it for the field. From autonomous excavators to factory shuttles to aquatic drone swarms, today's robots are getting to work in the places people would rather not. That's it for today's RoboBrief. If you want a daily edge on the robot revolution, hit subscribe and check out robobrief.tech. I'm Lexi Hart, and I'll see you tomorrow.